Hi everyone, this is the first video, but it's a unique language. Moroccan Arabic is a totally different language than French, Dutch, English, Spanish, and Italian. Do you want to learn how to pronounce it? Watch this video. We will start by sounds you already know. The large majority of consonants in Moroccan Arabic are similar to sounds that we have in English. The vowels in Arabic are also similar to English vowels. In the following table, each transcription character that represents a sound you already know will be explained. The sounds are not necessarily what you may expect, but each character we matched with a sound for good reasons. A. Sometimes the A in father, sometimes the A in mad. B. The normal English sound B. D. The normal English sound D. F. The normal English sound F. G. G. The normal English sound G, as in go. H. The normal English sound H, as in high. This is the E. The long E sound as in meat. J. The J sound represented by the S in pleasure. K. The normal English sound K. L. The normal English sound L. M. The normal English sound M. N. The normal English sound N. U. U. The long U sound as in bone. Bone. P. The normal English sound P. R. This is not the normal English sound R, but a flap similar to the Spanish R or to the sound American make when they quickly say, for example, gotta, as in I gotta go. Okay, I gotta go. S, the normal English sound S. T, the normal English sound T. U, the long U sound, as in food. Food. V, the normal English sound V. W, the normal English sound W. Y, the normal English sound Y. Z, the normal English sound Z. And the end, sh, the normal English sound sh. There are some sounds that are a little different for non-Arabic speakers to pronounce it, and those letters are D, S, T, Q, X, G, H. So, those are the most difficult letters for non-Arabic speakers to pronounce. All these concerns are large points. The transcription system used may seem difficult at first, but it has been carefully thought out, and in the end, it is the easiest system possible. That said, the sooner you can make the transition to reading Arabic script, the easier it will be to pronounce Arabic correctly. So, we will try to help you get close to this pronunciation before we start our first Arabic lesson. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.